Here's a new 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. You always give a little extra effort. It's what separates you from everyone else. You deserve a truck that matches that philosophy, and you found it right here. It comes with all the amenities you need. Turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, running boards, integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, aluminum wheels, firm suspension, rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Built on tradition, built to last, Ford. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.